What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a little trick about scaling in flstudiomobile. um uh, like for me, I use my door flstudiomobile on 100% because I feel like it's good for my phone screen. But if you're on tablet, I advise you to use 200, or you can go for 75, but it will be micro or narrow, small, and restart flstudiomobile. Okay, let's see 75%. If I restarting flstudiomobile, and you can see that 75% is very small. I think it's good for like PC or what. Oh my god, Jesus Christ, a bird just shit on me. Yo, I'm making a video and a bird just shitted on me, bro. What does that mean, bro? I'm making a video, a bird just shitted on my pants, bro. Ha, Jesus, like, okay, as you can see, 90% is a little bit better. I guess my phone is good for 90% and 100%. Let's check, let's check another scaling and see how it will help us. 150%. Let's try 150%. See, this is like a simple trick, like if you can use it, I think it's good, especially for like taking photos for thumbnails or all that. Or if you like want to make beats on a big screen, I think scaling is good. It's a good update in flstudiomobile. These are some of the things I left out when I made my video about the new updates, but I realized they are so important. And I'm gonna make a video about the themes too, the themes, and how important are the themes in this door. But as you can see, as you can notice the difference, um it's very important to scale and get to know your own scale that you can work on, and it can flow without, I don't know, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man,